one that they brought this can for me. I don't know what they want me to do with this. So I will add juice to this and I will be drinking juice from this can. I don't understand. Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting video. Unboxing time. Yeah, I just received this pack now. I said let me quickly unbox it before the kids come back from school. I got this. I received this from Temu. This one is not mainly for the kids. Just few things that I need. I just saw them on Temu and I ordered them. So let's unbox together. You guys can see what I'm doing. Oh, Chineke, what is this? Oh my goodness! Must I complain? I saw this this mortar. And what do they call it? It's not mortar. On Temu, and it was big. It was very big, and now it's coming. It looks like a toy for my baby. What is this now? Look at this. Very small. I'm going to put the picture on this video so that you guys will see what I'm talking about, so that you will not say I'm complaining too much. This thing was bigger than this. I know it was not a big one, but it was bigger than this, and it's coming now. It's looking like this. I think I'll just go to all those Chinese shops to look for this mortar because I really need it to pound my onions and peppers. Sometimes when you don't want to blend, when you don't want to use blender, that is the more reason why I ordered this thing. And they are bringing this toy for me. Sure, they want to review. I will give them the review that they are looking for. So this will bring only one, and they said it's a set of 2 or 4, 2/4. That's what they wrote, and now they are bringing one for me. So I just bought it for the kids to be staying inside, indoor. You know, everywhere is hot, so I just needed something free for. Okay, I think this is winning shoe. I just hope that it is. Let's see the size. I bought. This is I think the first time I am buying shoe for winning online. But the first one I bought was on Temu and it was nice. The size was okay. The other ones, the other 2 or 3 that I bought, 2-3 times that I bought was on Shein, and they were bringing smaller size for me. For 2 times I left it for Michelle, but the other one I could not because Michelle already has a lot of shoes. So this one, I think the size, she used 26, so I bought 26.5, 26.5. But they didn't write this size here. I don't know why. Just hope that the shoe will fit it's for school. Although I already bought some shoes for her in the shop, but I just bought this one. I saw it and it was fine. I said let me buy it for her because the one I bought in the shop is pink and white. So I just saw this black one and I bought it for winning. Which one is this one again? Okay, Temu. Yeah. What is in God's name is this one? So this one now for Nana phone. All these things, it will not look like I'm just complaining. These cans, I saw them online for juice. It was big, and now it's coming very small. What is this? Look at it. I will stop this online by bio. You don't see the things will just be attractive to be so foreign, and now it's coming. It's looking like this. What will I be doing with this one? That looks like a toy. Can you imagine? Just imagine. Oh God of mercy. All these things, I'm going to leave a picture of all these things on the video because me, I'm tired of complaining. This one is a humidifier and it was so big. And now it's coming, it's looking like this. So small. It's a no for me. No. Even this one was so big on the picture. This is it's for cleaning, just a duster to remove dust. Nobody send me, let me send myself direct. Only tape for the kids, and it was supposed to be 2 in 1. I don't know if they separated it. This one is for all-purpose cleaner to clean gas, to wash back of pot and all of that. It was big as well though. I will still put the picture so that you people will see it. This is the only thing for now since I've been unboxing all these things now that I saw that this one was very small on the picture and now it's coming very big. This is to put bead on the air. The one will go small, now come make am big. The one will go big, now come make am small. Now well done. Okay, this one is for Daddy to barb his hair. This one is for Winnie. I just saw it, it was so beautiful and I bought it for her. This one is okay, the material. That's one thing I like about Temu's clothes, their material is always cool. It's not all those nylon material. Hey, you know, they see these people. This thing was very small on the app, and now it's coming very big. This is to remove hair from your sink. Maybe hair blocked. You washed your hair in the sink and then it's blocked. So you can use it. Just put this one inside to remove, to bring out all the hair. Because I said it was 2-piece. This one is Winnie's own. It was 2-piece, but the other one they are bringing one for me because it's different sizes. This one is for Winnie and the other one was for Michelle. But they brought 2 for Winnie and 1 for Michelle. Now I will explain. This one I evidently. Okay, this is hair towel. But yeah. Okay. This one I already bought it before I even looked at it very well. I thought it was a wig, a crochet. And look at the way it's very short. It's a crochet, but a coily one. How many pieces? 5 pieces. I thought it was a wig initially when I saw it, but it was later, after I ordered it, that I saw they wrote it on this crochet. I did not even look at it before. I just saw it, I thought it was a wig, and it was very cheap, so I quickly ordered it. I don't know when I crochet you at this. It's complete. The ponytail for the kids. You know, I completed before that it was 2, but it's complete. This is the other one. This hair packer was so big on the picture, and then they are bringing this teeny for me. Stick can. I bought this can for they said it's a freezer can, right? Freezer container to put food inside freezer. So what amount of food am I going to put on this can now to put inside freezer? It's small. I'll just be using it for more. That's if it will not melt. So this is the last one. Now this is a bra. I've not bought bra online, so I don't know if this one is going to size me. The way I'm saying it now, I don't think it will be my size. If it was before, yes, but now I don't think so. I don't think it's too small. Since I added weight, my boobs became big. Don't know why. My boobs were so small, tiny, that I can even go out without wearing bra. But now, as I added weight, the thing. I mean, they find big breasts before. I can't see and it tire me. And somebody told me this thing before that you when they find big breasts, so if you see big breasts, it'll tire you because the person that had big boobs. I said, I like how well. It don't really tire me now. It's a knife, not this. I don't know what they call it. To cut potato that gives that kind of shape. I don't know what they call it, but it's like a knife, but not really a knife. Okay, this is a top. This is my top. I'm not going to wear this one again because the weather is already hot. I'm going to keep this one for next winter. But I just like the top and I bought it. So this is for the kids to cover for hair wash, because anytime I'm washing their hair, they don't allow me to wash their hair because they don't want water to touch their face. So I bought this thing to cover, so that this one will cover it, to not allow the water to be dropping on their face, but it will be taking the water back. This one is a towel for the guests. Not that they don't have towel, I just saw it is beautiful. It's like a shirt. You wear it like a shirt, but it's a towel. I will leave the picture. So they'll just wear it like this after bathing or before bathing. The both of them is the same size. I bought one for Winnie and one for Michelle. And crochet pin. Crochet pin. Because the one I had is not that good anymore. But I mistakenly bought 2. I don't know how managed I made that mistake. See it? I already bought one before. I bought this one for €1 some cents, and I bought this one for €3.49. You see it? It didn't pay me reach my bone. Okay, this one is apple custard. This one, the size is okay. Me, I'm not complaining about this one. Finished. This one is airbrush. So that is it, guys. But I'm not satisfied with what Temu brought for me. Temu! Make una help me share this video. May it reach Temu hand. I am not happy with what you people give to me. Never. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.